Hello everyone, welcome back to another stream. I want to work another session for our video summariser app, which is actually university project, but we made it a production ready product, at least an MVP, because it was a kind of old idea that I had actually personally. And this is the third time I built a video summariser app. So the things we want to do for today is actually, let me switch the scene. So I want to show you the project update, what we have been done, and the next is preparing a pitch deck, because we will present the results in the university, and yeah, definitely it have a score for us, but it is really serious for me because maybe it could be a startup that I kick it start. So let's go for the updates. So here I have the repository, which is open for everyone. Everyone can download, contribute, and use it. Yeah, you just need an API key. Here is the camera. Need an API key and start using it because it's really usable to summarize your video. We are an descriptive readme here. It shows a abstractive image that shows what is the summariser app. It's actually chatbot that you send a file and then chats about the file, and you end up to a shorter version or edited version of the original video. We explained many things here, specifically the setup guide. I have prepared detail about how we can set up it on the Mac OS, Windows, and yeah, let me go back here. I have a screenshot over how it works. So you send a file. Okay, this is the there are many pages in the app, but this is the actual main app that you chat about the video. You send the original file, and then it depends on the prompt. If your prompt is a kind of order, it prepares the order for you, which is a summarized version, and you can also edit that version, talk about that version specifically, or simply about the original video. But again, you can chat about the video and make different versions as you expect. So what I'm planning to do is to prepare a pitch deck. I already describe some detail about the pitch deck, the slides. There would be around, I don't know, maybe 7 to 10 slides. I have listed out some ideas about the slides. We need to have the problem slide, benchmark slide, roadmap, which would be kind of it should be around latest slides, the technical slide, and definitely the theme slide, which we have here. Some features that we will mention for the roadmap, but yeah, let's check the template here. The template I have selected is this one. I need to log in. Okay, I did the login. So the pitch deck template is something I just picked from canva.com, which is pretty nice service to prepare many different type of graphic works. So different there's an harmony between light and dark theme for this theme, which I really like it. It is really slow since they use the blue color, and I think it allows audience to understand what we have done and what we are talking about actually. Yeah, let's start. I already created a file for it as well. It's here. So probably we need to, what I am actually working on right now, I want to start is to, oh my god, it should be checkbox. Sorry. Live stream notes, and I don't know why it has issue. Maybe I need to separate the view. Yeah, probably. Or maybe it's about this. I don't know. I can't just go to the I don't know what I'm doing. Just let me hard refresh the page. It should be why it is it shouldn't be left side, it shouldn't be left side. It's really weird. There isn't also any there should be some editing toolbox for me. Yeah, it's here. Okay, let's write something and just it should be right. Okay, let me make it align left, and I think I can go to the previous. I just sucked with this task notes. Prepare the pitch deck. Okay, so it shouldn't be a checkbox, but here we can have toggle list, checklist. There were something problem or something wrong with the ClickUp, but anyway, we need to prepare by the way, these have been done. We need to prepare a technical slide. And the technical slide is 2, 1, and 2, and this is the most time consuming preparation for me, and I think it would be pretty enough for this stream to prepare these 2 slides. Then let's start with the first one. So here I already written down some ideas about it. You probably, if you checked out previous streams, you might be familiar with the process, that how we manage to do the video editing process on the app. There are 3 main steps. Okay, so first one is to take the video file, convert it to the audio, extract the transcript of the audio by AI. Meanwhile, extract the scene list from the audio, from the video file. And the scene list is those transition moments that a scene, the camera is changing in the video, and each change is a scene for us here. And that's how we can understand where is the transition moment for camera. So generates a description for each scene. We need to understand each scene, what is happening in each scene. At the end of the day, we have lots of text data about the audio side and the video side of the original file. So, and later we prepare a timeline from those data. And for example, we say, okay, in the second one, someone said something. In the second 2, a car is passing the street, or like this. This is the timeline, because the timestamp is there for each segment. And then when we have the full timeline, we try to iterate over the AI and pick segments from the full list and just generate a shorter version of the timeline. For example, if the full timeline is 1000 segments, the shorter version could be 50 segments, 100 segments, you know. And that's how a long video could be converted to a smaller, shorter video. And after this iteration, which we get into a shorter timeline, we use FFmpeg to just extract all of those timestamps from our shorter timeline and join all of those pieces into a unique short video. And that's how what's happening. So we need to show this architecture inside the slide 1, but it shouldn't be text heavy like this. I want to show it in a visual way because there isn't much time to present that slide. The slide could have, for example, maybe 40 seconds, 1 minute to be presented. So it should be visually descriptive, not text heavy descriptive. So let's the idea I have is to show, let me go to my canvas to remove here. The idea I have is to show a full timeline like this. So this is the full timeline, and the timeline could be like classic negative I don't know why they say to it, but classic negative, let's say, timeline, illustration, movie timeline illustration. Yeah, like something like this. But I think we can use something like this, or something a bit I want something to have more detail. For example, this is good, but something straight is much more better. Yeah, okay, probably this one is good. So what we want to do is I just want to crop this from the screen, just capture it from the screen and paste it in the here. Nice. Okay, so this is our video timeline, right? And then we have an audio timeline also. Audio timeline. So it is like I need something straight as well. For example, like this, something like this, but something really wide. Probably this could be good. I can take it. This could be good. Yeah, this also could be good, really. This is from Wave UI. I used this app previously, Audacity. So probably this, no, it's here. So probably this is better. Let me open the image. Yeah, let's take it. Nice. For some reason this is locked. Maybe I think maybe I can just press command. No, command is cropping it. Maybe option, no. What about shift? No. What about control? Control doesn't work. Yeah, okay, doesn't matter. So we have maybe like this, because it should be kind of narrow, slim. So this is our original timeline. Let's write for it. Original timeline. Big, huge. Here. And then I want to show different timelines per each of these steps that being done. It's here. So as you see, we have audio extraction, scene extraction, scene description extraction. So each of these have a timeline. Okay, then we need different sort of timelines here, which shows the actual video file have been processed to different type of data, and later we want to show another type of timeline, which is or a specific version of timeline that contains all of those audio, scene, image, data into a text version of the timeline. And yeah, how all of those 3-4 type of timeline will be converted to a text version of the timeline. And the text version also could be, let me see how I described it. So first I named it as process timeline. The process timeline consists segments. Each segment includes text description of an duration, including dialogue, scene, audio. The segments are vibrant and has connection line with previous layers. So it means we will have another type of timeline. Let me see. For example, yeah, let's bring this. So sorry. So this is our text version, for example, and each segment should include different type. For example, the audio, the text of the description, the text description version of the audio, the text description version of the image, the scene, you know. And so and then we need to show those parts, the audio, the scene, the what was there, dialogue, scene, audio. Okay, 3 parts. So each segment could contain 3 parts, and each part could be connected to one of those extracted layers from the original video. Yeah, and that's how we show what is happening in the whole core logic. Okay, so what is I want here is to just I need to find a smaller version of timeline. For example, something like this could be really good, like this. Yeah, I think this is good. Let me take it. Nice. I just want to take the a part of it, and I want to do it in a way that I can repeat and extend it in my actual canvas. Okay, let it bring it here. So this is for, it could be for what? It could be for our scene. All right, and let's group all of this together. We need something maybe with white color. White color could be used for text version. Text timeline, for example. Let's say negative shape. No. It's really hard to find what I want. Maybe timeline. Let's say again, movie timeline, negative shape, but this time the shape could be just different in color. Yeah, maybe we can use this. There are many type of, but it's small, pretty small. Also here we have something. It's really hard to find. It's not hard to find, but in this age of AI, I think I got lazy, became lazy. See more. I need more. I need more. I want something small. Something small, like oh my god, I just want to select. Oh, this is really good. Aha, this is exactly what I want, because it shows description. Yeah, it shows description. And let me just bring it here, copy, and now we need to I think this is really good. Cool. So what is happening is to convert these layers into a timeline version, the process timeline version. Cool. Okay, but this is the scene description. All right, scene description, and it could be small. Let me ungroup this. Nice. Now it is really the sizing also helps to understand the idea. Okay, so the original video, one audio, one scene, and probably we need to have two versions of this text description version, because we are converting the audio and the scenes to the text. Then let me just extend this. I want to put it here, put this here, and make another copy. Like this, and set up this area. Cool. Make a copy, make a group actually, so we can bring these two closer to each other. So this could be the video and the description of the scenes. All right, and so we need another version to move it up, and probably bring these all right, let me move that out. Okay, nice. All right, so what we have is the original video, okay, and then audio file, audio file. They could be maybe mediums, maybe small size. I want it to be this. Okay, but all right, the audio file. The audio caption or transcripts is better. Nice. And what we have here is the scene lists. Nice. And then encryption. So, but we need to just make them a bit small. Actually, this is not the actual design. I am doing kind of perfectionism on it. Probably they should be since I don't have graphic tablet, it's a bit hard to work with this canvas, but all right. So let's make another one. And another one. Okay, this could be much more clear that which title is for which line. So, and also this is our original timeline. That could be goes back and the center. So the original timeline has gets extracted, breaks down into like 4 layers. All right. Okay, now we have to build our specific timeline, which is processed timeline. Let's say, let's write it. but definitely it should be bigger. So how to shows, for example, different pieces. We can just create shapes here. I think this is the best idea, to create shapes. Okay, we have shapes here. Let's select the color. For example, audio could be blue. I don't know why it's not blue. Solid. It should be solid, or should be it's weird because I want it to be solid. The solid is actually, we don't have much option here, but I think it's okay. Let's copy paste, make it green. Copy paste another one, make it again green maybe, and move it here. Now we want a connection from these the small units of the process timeline to different layers here. For example, this could be a scene. It makes it by blue. All right, so let's make another one. So they should be connected to the text version because we are using text version. All right, and the scenes, I don't know, maybe we can connect it to this also. All right, again the blue one. Yeah, this is what could be really descriptive only by image instead of 5 minutes explanation. Cool. So just what is left is to make them a bit huge. Okay, large maybe is better for the cursor. We can make it huge. It should be huge, but this one could be large. This could be, sorry, this could be large. This could be huge. This could be large. This could be huge. Nice. Then this is what we're gonna do as the first. Maybe the first slide. Yeah, okay. Because this is the first technical slide. The second technical slide, we will use this because we already implemented the idea, the visual idea that what is this, and we maybe shows something like this, but in better way to how this timeline being used to select different to just prepare a selective collection of the segments in the process timeline and that collection would be our short version of the timeline. Yeah. Okay. So now I want to just use AI to generate this. Somi, thank you, Somi. I want to send a heart for you. I like this. All right, so let's go back. Let's remove all of these tabs because we really don't need them anymore. Yeah, let's go to what I use is AI Studio. AI Studio. Google AI apps. Okay, let's go to the AI Studio here. Okay, what we have is a chat. Okay, so we want to technical slide. I just want to copy paste this description and just make a copy from that wireframe of our slide. By the way, let me change the music. Or yeah, probably this one might be better. Okay, let's go back here and I want to generate an 3D view of a long video timeline. Okay, that's pretty enough. We need to select a model, Nano Banana, but the Nano Banana of is this model, the 3.1 is multimodal. Media resolution, thinking level, structure, output. Let's try default high thinking. Let's see what it gives us, because I'm not sure if this Gemini 3.1 is multimodal, and it definitely for input, yeah, it's multimodal, but for output, not sure really. Gives us by the way, there isn't any key. I don't know it works well for us. Yeah, but as the output seems it just generated the prompt for us. A highly detailed 3D is a based on your detailed description. We need to change to the Nano Banana. Okay, and remove the thoughts, remove this result also, and it should have a API key. Actually, let me tie an API key with it. The error isn't clear, but I think, yeah, that was because of the API key. Cool. What are you doing, Sami? Oh. This is pretty, yeah, this is pretty understandable. But let's give him another try, okay? The result is make I want it to be more clear. I don't know actually. It is too messy or crowded. Messy. Can you generate something cleaner? Keep all layers visible for yeah, because for example, if we show these details instead of from this frame, just reduce our frame to this area, could be really yeah, that's really much better. This is really cool. I really like it. Let me separate these views. So this is good, but the connections are not really correct. Okay, this is really good, but the connections are not correct, because the connections must be tied with all extracted layers. No, that's wrong. It should be the beautiful feature of the AI Studio is to ability to removing the messages and just start from whenever we want. Literally, but the connections of processed timeline must be tied with all previous extracted layers. Note: extracted layers don't have connections with each other. Let's try again. Yeah, that's pretty well. It's pretty well. So, and this is pretty well, but reduce the connections and add time stamp for processed timeline. Where's the problem with this? There's one C here. Okay. Some events actually. Nice. No. It's not really good because the problem here is we need to start from here again. We remove all of these things. Also this, and change this. The purpose of connection lines is to show how we combine extracted data into single timeline. So just shows a few connections for 1-2 segments. Nice. Let's by the way, I forgot to mention also add timestamp for segments. Nice. Let's see what's happening. No. Usually, but the connection of the process time must be tied with all previous extracted layers. We need to try again. It's not good. It could be better. Let me extract these transcript extraction, scene extraction, scene description. Okay. The previous layers is only these three. Okay. None of extracted layers have connection with each other. The purpose of the connection is to just draw connections only for first and third segments. Okay, then let's try again. Yeah, this is really cool. But still have problem only for the first and third segments to all three extraction layers. This could be, oh, no need to remove them by pressing the reprompt button. It just remove all messages after that message I edited. That's pretty cool. We also have this feature. Oh my god, really doesn't understand. Maybe I need to mention again. Because I don't know why the second layer is not. Oh, now I understand why it doesn't add connection for the second layer, because we need connection only. You see, we need connection only from these two. And oh my god, I'm really stupid here. Let's move back. The two layers, transcript extraction. Yeah, 2 layers only here. No, no, it's not good. Transcript extraction, scene description. Again. Nice. Okay, I think this is pretty clear for people to understand what is happening. Yeah, I like this. I like this. Let's save it. I don't know how we can just say make it 2K. Generate high res of this. So I need the high resolution because so the pitch slide could be really, it should be high quality. Come on. Okay, now we have the high quality. Let's remove all of this and download it again. Yeah, now it is much more, the clarity is really high. But what I don't like here is these lights. Okay, but it's pretty enough actually. So let's move it here, probably into, I'm not sure if I use background, the dark theme or light theme for the technical slide. So if we just use light theme, maybe would be better. Let's see if what happens if we remove the background. Oh, it removed the background, but all titles gone. So if I use this here, probably the background, the dark background could be really better. Okay, let's tell Gemini use a dark background, and I'm gonna maybe tell which dark I really want it to be. It's here. Yes, dark theme is better. Yeah, thank you, Somi. That's pretty good. Let me bring the chat here. I want to split. Yeah, now I can see what Somi says. Yeah. Dark theme is really better here. So it's really beautiful. Let's save it and go back. Nice. Let's bring the layers. Here is the layers. Let's move it to close to the background. It's really great. And let's move it to center maybe. Here, the center. Nice. But we really, maybe we don't need these things. Just, I don't know, remove it. We don't need these. Yeah. Pretty clear that's what is happening. Okay, this is the technical slide number 1, which shows the whole core logic in a simple visual view, which is pretty cool. Oh, Somi likes neon color. I'm happy you like it. And actually the AI selected these neon colors really random, which I don't like it, but I just didn't changed it. Yeah, then let it be like this. You like it and we are happy also. So yeah, this is the, I need a few minutes break, then we'll come back after maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes. So but I want to push let the, so what I want to say is instead of just let the screen stay here and changing the scene to the room, side coding, yeah. Okay, I will come back. Hello, I'm back, and yeah, I think this is pretty great. All right, so what we want something first of all, let's tick or check this one. This one done, right? We have another technical 02 01 02. What is happening here is to show how we iterate and generates the shorter timeline. Okay, then probably, I don't know, just writing the purpose here. Show how the shorter timeline is being generated by a loop of API calls. It doesn't matter, by an iteration loop. By selecting segments gradually from the processed timeline, or something like this. I think it is understandable for AI. Then so let's frame this. Technical slide one oh okay, then we need to bring these out, then set up this and bring them back. Actually move them back. Okay. I get sucked each time. with the stupid things. Okay, moving back. Nice. So the second timeline is we need to present a view from here, but much more extensive view that contains more segments that could be similar to a full length of timeline, and then select an iteration, just present a iteration process like what we have here, a loop, and then finally a shorter version. Okay, let's write the idea of it. Okay, the idea is show the full processed timeline with more segments, which has more segments, like a full length show an iteration process to show an iteration process which a segment iteration process in each cycle a segment is selected and iteration process with a duration goal. In each a segment is selected and a part of the goal is resolved. The cycle continues until we reach the iteration goal. 6. Show the result of the iteration, which is a shorter version of timeline. Nice. It's pretty clear for us. And let's open a new chat. Let me check an email. Okay, so we need a new chat here. Playground, new chat, API key, Nano Banana. Okay, Nano Banana is already selected. Let's bring our materials Use the given image as more context and generate an technical illustration based on below description. Keep the graphics style must be similar to the timeline image. Nice. Let's give it a try and see what it does for us. Run. It is something. Oh, that's pretty cool. I like this idea. This is really clear, but let's see if it can do another variation. I want to see another option. Oh, this is also good. That's pretty cool. I think this is much more clear and understandable. This is pretty cool age we live in. We just can observe different possibilities. I like both of these. The second one is much more better. in terms of clarification. Oh, no, that's not. Let me stop it and redo this one. Oh, this one also good. This is also good. Let's see how it is on the. Yeah, I like this one as well. Let me like all of this. How to like. Probably we can like the last one. Okay, so by the way, let's go back to the slides. I want to just which color it has. Magic BG, what does it mean? Okay, the color is FFFFF. Okay, the color is this one. It's pretty cool color. So let's use white background for the regenerate the last one and use white background. Let's see what happens. The reason yeah, the second one, you mean this one? You mean this one, Somi? Yeah, probably you mean this one also. So you need to this one probably, yeah. This one. Yes, this one is really great. This is the third one, and I want to see how we can use background color, the white background color, because the slides should be should have a mix of it should have a mix of white and dark and light theme. Probably we can just pose two dark theme and yeah, I think we need to do this. We need to do this. Yeah, let's use just say regenerate the high resolution of this one. Generates the high resolution. Also, I want to summarize these live streams to make shorter videos. No, I don't like it. Regenerate the high resolution for the last one. For the last one. Maybe we can add another step to show how the shorter timeline converts into a video, but I think it doesn't really need it. Cool. Okay, let's duplicate this, remove this, and bring this. Nice. Okay. Maybe we can just extend this. There is an option here in Canva. We can extend the image. Yeah, it's here. Just expand it to the whole page. No. No. Fuck. Okay, don't need the expansion. Maybe I can pixel arrays. The pixel arrays is not really good option. Okay, that's good. Or maybe I can say maybe I can mention the AI, make a high resolution with exactly this background. Still has the same issue. Okay, so I am really satisfied with the technical slides. Actually, let's rename them here. Take a step one, tech 02. Zephyr means 0. Zephyr 1 means 01. Nice. So the rest is much more easier to prepare. And yeah, thanks for AI that really makes the process faster, the possibility of observing the ideas really faster. And I think it's pretty enough for this stream. I will share the all pitch deck later, and yeah, I just want to say goodbye to all of you. And also thank you, Somi, that you stay with me here. Yeah, I hope you will have a great rest of the day and night. See you in next one.